Calc review number 55. Solve the inequality and graph the solution set on the number line. Express the solution set using interval notation. Our inequality is 4x plus 6 is less than 14. And since it's linear, this is a fairly easy problem for us. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. And I get 4x is less than 8. I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I get x is less than 2. I'm going to go ahead and graph that. A couple different ways you can go about it. One of them would be an open circle, an arrow pointing in this direction. Another way to do that would be to simply put a parenthesis in that location. And the way I tell people to do this is think of this being like negative infinity, and then this being the number 2. Basically, it's all numbers between negative infinity and 2. And I would write that in like this for interval notation. So sometimes the parentheses end up working pretty darn well. Number 56, I've got negative 5x is greater than or equal to 30. I divide both sides by negative 5, and I get an x on this side, and I get a negative 6 on this side. But since I'm dividing by a negative number, I have to remember to flip the inequality symbol. So now it's less than or equal to. Well, I'm going to go to negative 6, and I'm going to go with a closed circle on this one, and an arrow pointing to the left towards negative infinity. And then I can also replace that with a bracket if I want to. Interval notation, you can use the negative infinity, use the negative 6, and I'm including negative 6 bracket. I can never include any version of infinity. There are your final answers.